beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together.
Asa
society,
Asa
society,
Asa
society.
Nigerian government is out of place. Nigerian government is out of place. Nigerian government is out of place. No, they gonna say,
I wish you people there.
no, they gonna say,
I wish you people there.
no, they gonna say,
I wish you people there.
Attention, attention, attention. Today, being 10th of November 2021, we, the angry vipers of Biafra land, have noticed that the governors, senators, local government chairmen, House of Representatives, and all political holders in Eastern region have concluded to play pranks with the lives and well-being of all youths in the Eastern region. You people no longer have regards for the precious lives destroyed daily by these infidels. We hereby give you a 21 days ultimatum to ensure that Nnamdi Kanu is released unconditionally and resign from your positions without further delay. Failing to do so, we shall have no other option than to declare you all wanted, dead or alive, anywhere, anytime. For all kings and chiefs in our land, we have decided to reduce yourselves to less than used sanitary pad. You are now being toyed about by uncircumcised Fulanis due to your idiocy and bribery. We, the angry vipers, are giving you 21 days to leave our land, unless Nnamdi Kanu is released. For Obi Kubana and co, who are closely working with the killers of our youth, you and your crew made sure that Fulani Abakiari returned to Anambra State. You will hear from us. From now onwards, we will put a stop to any form of tax and revenue in markets, road transport such as bike, vehicle and sundry within the Biafra land. Henceforth it shall be bloody. All hell shall be let loose. This very press statement is irrevocable.
Asa
Society,
Asa
society,
Asa Bua.
Na ebe vivre ele mele ozumo na
Amphibena.
kwe furu ụlọ na ifuru ihe ndị amị gbara yesterday evening ahụ na agwa gị ifuru ka mgbosiri wee gbapụ ụlọ kwe furu ya kwe ka mgbosiri wee gbapụ ụlọ. This is compound mmadụ dị mfa. Lee anya mgbe ahụ batara n'ime ụlọ ka ngosi gị ime ụlọ. Mgbe ahụ si ebe a bata, lee nga nwaanyị na-emere onwe biznes nkata. Ifuru ka mgbosiri wee si ebe a na were gaa akwefuru ihe ọ gbara nkata ebe a gbarie ya bịakwala aja ebe a kwefuru ya mgbalezie dị mgba anya ọ bụrụ na ịmụ ihe na-aza mgbe ọ ya ka nshi n'aka akwefuru ya na kwefuru mgbọ ihe bụ disi lee ka ụlọ niile dị kwefuru ka aja o siri okwupie lee ka ala niile dị mgbọ siri start ya adameji ihe niile dị ebe a lesi aja efuru ma glass na anya ebe a na ifuru ebe mbọ siri wee batala ime ụlọ ihe n'ime ụlọ dị ife a ụmụazị juru onye ọbụla juru ifuru ebe mbọ siri wee bata kwefuru ogo n'anya ifuru ka o siri wee tipuo ya fetago ihe a na-agba gị bụ akwụkwọ mgbe eji aka agbara moto ka eji were agba ya amodka gbara nke a na ifuru ya lee ka ime ụlọ niile dị na amodka gara ihe nne m ihe ebuli ime ụlọ be m ngọngọngọ ka m na-agwa gị ife a ka ngasịra gị mgbọla tebụl ifuru mgbọ dị n'ime ụlọ akụkọtara n'ime ụlọ ifuru mgbọ dị n'ime ụlọ nwanne m ngwara ya gaziere unu.
Hey, this is the only language the Nigeria government understand. Another armed group, angry vampire, emerge. They give Nigeria government and Eastern government 21 days. 21 days ultimatum to unconditionally release of Nnamdi Kanu. They also ordered immediate stoppage to tax collection in market and also placed a warning to Obi Kubana and co who enjoyed dining with the notorious Al-Bakari. That is what this group said though. They sent warning to all of them to release Nnamdi Kanu within 21 days or else it will be story for them, because this is the only language the Nigerian government understand. You see the game they played in Abuja, they know what they are doing. Honestly, they know exactly what they are doing. People that are without arms, people that are like peaceful, they don't want it. And the other video you watch is what happened in Olu in Imo State. You can see the bullets, you can see what they are doing to the people. For how long will they continue like this? People are dying, people are crying. You say they should not talk, they should not do what, they should keep quiet. Where are the elders who broken peace and made sure Anambra election hold? Where are the chiefs? Where are the Ohaneze? They need to come out and speak and see what Nigerian government is doing. Was the agreement reached for only Anambra election to hold? Only about releasing Nnamdi Kanu? No. Our leaders, or was it not to also send all the soldiers out of BIAFRALAND for what they are doing? Why are the joint task force bombing, killing and destroying properties in Imo State and Anambra State? What is all this? One thing that I have come to discover is that the agreement between the Biafran elders, the Ohaneze and the chiefs is within ourselves. The other party was not involved to know whether they are in agreement with your intention. I am telling you, it's like Nigerian government is not part of this agreement. I guess that is what is playing at. I'm not trying to be negative, but I'm just trying to point out something that if Nigerian government is really into this agreement and they are ready that this is the agreement that were made or the request of the indigenous people of Biafra, I think all this nonsense will stop. Yes, now whenever another agreement is coming, then they need to be involved, because I can see that they are not involved. The agreement is just within the southeastern leaders, that is the Ohaneze, the leaders, the king and all that. They are the ones that are involved in this agreement. It's just like the government is not involved. It don't even care. They don't even care to know. Because if the government really cares to know, all this nonsense would have stopped long time. I am telling you, that is just my own view. And I will be making a video about it. Truly, they are not involved. So please do well to drop your opinion for me in the comment section. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing you this news live and direct. And if you know that you haven't subscribed, oh my word, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For me to you, I say bye.